Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you the last examples I've been working on. The first example is a new Mars package browser. You can see here that it's a little different from the previous one. It's still not what I would suggest as a new definitive Mars browser, but I made some changes just to try out some widgets. For example, this pop-up menu. It's horrible actually to browse the packages, but I just wanted to show an example on how to use one of these menus. So you can navigate the packages and then you load the class tree of that package. And well, in the tab view, we have new two tabs, the definition tab and the comments tab. There's still a bug, maybe you noticed, in the tab view for Mars Cocoa, that if you select one of these tables, the table of the protocols or the table of the selectors, and try to change the tab, it's like an event gets stuck here and I have to blur the tab view and then the tab gets selected. I really don't know why this is happening. Some help would be nice, but well, for now this is what is working. And on the other hand, this is just for browsing so far. It doesn't work for edition. So if you come here and select a method, if you edit the method, you are not able to save it. One nice thing is that if you go to a package with tests, let's go to this one for example, then the Open TestRunner button is enabled, and if I open here, I get a test runner and I can run the tests. So this test runner example is mainly focusing on showing how to use a progress bar that is a new widget, and in the example I am also adding row by row here in this list, and the row scrolls automatically as it gets populated. And here we also have 3 images, and these 3 images with the label are done. Let me show you. Are done with the custom widget. So here I'm just making a subclass of MarCustomWidget, and in the method initialize I add, as if this was a container, it is actually a container, it's a Mars box. I add the widgets that I wanted to have, and then in the code of the MarsTestRunner window, I use this widget without having to add for each one of those rows the icon and the label, and then the icon and the label again, and again for a third time. So now let's see how this is working in GTK. This is the Mars package browser for GTK, and you can see that here in GTK I didn't have exactly the same kind of menu, so I'm using just a combo box for selecting the package. It's a little more uncomfortable than in Cocoa, but maybe it's also because I'm running an Ubuntu VM and it's slow. So again, here I can select a package. This package has tests. You can browse the tests. And if I open the test runner, I get this new window. And here I run the tests. So these two little examples are starting to be more similar to what a real application would look like and what a useful application would look like. So I really hope that this will grow, and some of you might actually be interested in collaborating and see what we can achieve. Bye bye.